Okay, today I'm working on my Dapp. The first thing I start with the front part. So I build. I'm not implementing dynamic things, only the UI part, and for that I use Mantine. It's very interesting. It's very. It's a good UI library. Uh, you have a lot of components already built and free. Uh, so I use that instead to use Tailwind UI. After that, I try to find the right product to build and also to build an audience in order to serve this audience with the right project. So it's a win-win situation. And for that, I follow the embedded entrepreneur strategy. It's very good. It's not only about the theory. It's very step by step how we have to do. So I will also try to do some video about this book. You have another book about that, the Minimalist Entrepreneur. A little bit more on the theory, but very good also. And so the first step that we have to do, the step zero, is to find our why, something that resonates with you. And after that, you have to collect a lot of data about this topic. So it's what I'm doing. So the first thing that I did today is go to answer to the public. You click here on new research. You enter your keyword. Because I have the free plane, I can search again. And also you can go to Google AdWords and you can, yes, and find other ideas about this topic. And after that, what I did, it's also yes. Yeah, it's my big research. I go to Quora and type and try to find a lot of questions about my topic, and and record them and store them on my Notion in order to be able to come back later and to sort also all my data and try to, yes, we can do a lot of things with that. We can do some tutorial about that. Do some some tutorial. You can try to start conversation with people. There's a lot of things, and all this strategy it's on this book in particular. So I do. Uh, if I remember, answer the public, AdWord, Quora, I stored everything on Notion, and now because each day I want to put the each day I want to share my journey. I have to put that on Twitter and on Get My Color. So here is my Twitter. I don't I don't have I don't customize it for the moment, but the the more important things it's to start, and after that I will customize my Twitter. And here also I use Maker Log. It's very good. I try to, thanks to this website, I start to talk with some people uh, more advanced in their journey. So I learn a lot from them. So yeah, I really recommend this website also. That's it for today.